So these are two images I'm going to use. This one here is the paper texture, and this one here is the cutout background. So now the first thing I need to do is to create my text. So select the type tool, left click, and now left click and now type your text. Control A to select all text, and now I'm going to increase the size to, let's say, 500. So I'm going to reduce it to 350, press enter, and now I'm going to change the style to bold, and now select the move tool, and now I'm going to center it, and now I'm going to place the text layer under the cutout background. So here it is, and now let's reveal the cutout background, and now right click on the background layer, this one here, and then select clip in mask. So here it is, and now for example if you select the move tool, so as you can see you can move the cutout background inside. So for example you can still change the text. Let's select the text layer, going to select the type tool, so I'm going to change it to Anton. So here it is, and now I'm going to increase the size to 700, so I'm going to change it to 600. Now let's select the move tool again, I'm going to place it here like this, and now I'm going to add the inner shadow to the text layer. So right click on the text layer, select blending options, going to move the layer styles here to the right, and now select inner shadow, and now you just need, for example, so here you can change the direction. So let's select the zoom tool, left click, so I'm going to uncheck this one, left click with the zoom tool, and then right click on text layer, blending options. Now let's select inner shadow, and now we're going to adjust the inner shadow to make it look like it is cut from the paper here. So let's increase a little bit the size. So you can also, for example, decrease the opacity or increase it. So I think I'm going to leave it here, now press OK. And now you can still, for example, if you select the move tool, select the cutout background, you can still, for example, move it here like this. So let's say I'm going to leave it here.